This is week 4, journal 2. Leadership. We have great leadership at the district office. We also have leadership through the diocese. We have highly qualified staff that I can call or get appointments or email for information. We take the job serious and work hard to provide and assist me in any way we can to have a great county of education. At the school, we're known for our leadership and calm manner to help students. We really care about our students and their family. We're a smaller school, so we have great leadership held by the principal. There's no vice principal or VP. Yeah, we all work together collaboratively to make a positive difference. The key people, those are a very helpful principal, has many degrees, including counseling degrees and education. The front office staff is amazing, and we're teachers are caring individuals to help the students, even offer free tutoring as needed. A minor hinder is the campus could use a facelift and more technology, so they're working on partnerships and grants that make the campus better. Overall, it's a school that students can thrive and get high-class education. They do have a process for teachers and leaders to make change. Weekly at the PLC meeting, any faculty can add ideas. This includes fundraising for a marquee and better marketing in front of their campus. Also, they have ideas for laptops for each class. Technology is a big part of school nowadays, so they're really working for sure. Overall, it's a great school and new. Reporting data, like most schools, we use CELT. We use the new students. World foreign workers. Not the first one. That's CELT score, so it'll help in English. Okay. Also, we can use information past and as intervention, who's struggling, how we can help them in a real good foundation. I do not think we have enough technology in this way. That would give us more data if we had more technology in each class. How do we change state and federal policies? State and federal often expects higher rigor learning, so we're really using data now. SBAC, CELT, CASP, Iowa test, even CalPADS to figure out answers to help our school get